If you are looking for the best carbon monoxide detector, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Kidde Nighthawk plug-in AC/DC carbon monoxide alarm detector. This carbon monoxide detector comes with a 9-volt backup battery in case of a power outage. Plug-in options like this CO detector keep renters and landlords happy. No need to drill holes in the wall. Like other carbon monoxide detectors, it comes with a test button and LED screen to show the CO levels in your home. When the Nighthawk detects dangerous levels in your home, it will emit a signature beeping pattern so you won't confuse it with any other alarms in your home. Number 2. First Alert CO710 Carbon Monoxide Detector. This digital, easy-to-read carbon monoxide alarm uses an electrochemical sensor to quickly detect rising carbon monoxide levels. It keeps your family safe with this easy-to-use digital display. The alarm is equipped with a 10-year battery and chirping alarm to remind you when it's time for a new detector. Loud and clear 85 decibel sound when alarming when CO is detected. Digital detector displays of home temperature and carbon monoxide levels. The First Alert has been the most trusted brand in home safety since launching the first residential smoke alarm in 1958. Number 3. Google S3000BWES Nest Protect Smoke Plus Carbon Monoxide Alarm. This dual-purpose unit monitors for both carbon monoxide and smoke. An easy-to-use app makes it easy to keep tabs on the system, and provides additional notifications if problems are encountered. The unit is enabled with Wi-Fi and provides instant updates to your phone if a problem is encountered or battery life is low. You can also test the alarm from your phone and receive a full report when the test is complete. But you don't have to worry if you forget to initiate a test since the unit tests itself over 400 times a day. Number 4. Carbon Monoxide Alarm Detector. The Alert Plus Carbon Monoxide Detector is a simple device with one job: to keep you and your family safe from CO poisoning. Unlike our top picks, it only detects carbon monoxide and shows levels on an easy-to-read LED screen. And while it doesn't have any smart features, it does have a voice option that speaks to you when there's danger. Some might find this less stressful than a loud alarm. But if you prefer the traditional siren, it has a powerful 85 decibels siren to warn everyone in your home. Number 5. X-Sense Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector Alarm. This X-Sense smoke and CO detector has built-in photoelectric and electrochemical sensors for catching smoldering fires and CO levels in your home. This combination smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector alarm provides 10 years of continuous power with a built-in lithium battery, and this product has been tested to meet all standards. It detects both smoke and CO levels in your home. X-Sense Smoke Carbon Monoxide Detector Combo requires no rewiring, easy to mount on any wall or ceiling without an electrician.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.